So I went to go use this hyper tough hedge trimmer and noticed that it didn't cut very well or at all. So I figured out why. There's two of these rails on here that do the cutting and they alternate back and forth. So as the top one moves this way, the bottom one moves against it, and it's a shear, so it'll cut things. Well, this top one is fixed or is attached to this gear, but this bottom one is not. It can just move freely. And so what was happening is when this one was moving back to cut against this one was just moving back with it. So I took this apart and saw that the spacing tolerance on this thing is horribly off. So there's like a lobe cam in here, and it's supposed to ride this bottom rail. It's supposed to ride inside that, so when you move it like this, then they both move like that. But because there's so much spacing in there, that lobe will just hop underneath it like that, and it no longer moves. So this appears to be some sort of riveted or pins that go all the way through there, and they're not screws or anything, and I'm not sure if it's possible to get them any tighter. I'm going to try to hammer on these, but it looks like, maybe they're roll pins or something, but I don't think it's going to be able to get any tighter, which renders this thing pretty useless. Okay, update. I took this over to the anvil and hammered on the back side of these pins, and now they're closer together and it's fully engaged. So they're both moving in the opposite directions like they're supposed to now. Have no idea how long that'll last, but I'll put it back together and try it and see if it works. Garbage!